Today we'll discuss about linear differential equations. Let's see linear differential equations. Linear differential equation is the differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are constants or functions of x only. See, a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are constants or functions of x, then it is said to be linear differential equation. And in this differential equation, y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable, and one more thing you remember here, the values of p and q are always constants or functions of x. Now, methods of solving linear differential equations. It is the methods of solving linear differential equations of first order and first degree. The first step is reduce the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. You reduce the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. After this, you write the value of p and q. You write the values of p and q. Check whether the values of p and q are constants or functions of x or not. Next, step number 2, find integrating factor. So, integrating factor is given by the formula I up is equal to e raised to integration of p into dx. So, second step is you find integrating factor, and integrating factor is given by the formula integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of p into dx. So, after finding integrating factor, you go for general solution. The general solution of the differential equation is y into I up is equal to integration of q into I up into dx plus c. So, this is the very important formula you remember. So, general solution of the given differential equation is y into I up is equal to integration of q into I up into dx plus c. Now, after this, we are having another form of linear differential equation. The another form of linear differential equation is dx divided by dy plus px is equal to q. It is another form of linear differential equation, but here p and q are functions of y. In this linear differential equation, p and q are functions of x only, and in this differential equation, p and q are functions of y or constants. So, this thing be remember. So, this is the differential between this linear differential equation and this one, and here x is dependent, y is independent. So, after this methods of solving this linear differential equation. So as usual, you write the given differential equation is in the form of dx divided by dy plus px equal to q. After that, you go for s integrating factor. Integrating factor is I up is equal to e raised to integration of p into dy, and next one is solution of this differential equation. The solution of this differential equation is given by x into I up is equal to integration of q into I up into dy s plus c. So this is very important. So here once again methods of solving the linear differential equation dx divided by dy plus px equal to q. So you reduce the given differential equation is in the form of dx by dy plus px equal to q. After that, you write the values of p and q. Check whether p and q are functions of y or not, or constants. So after writing the value of p and q, you go for integrating factor. Integrating factor is e raised to integration of p into dy, and as third step, general solution of the given differential equation is x into I up is equal to integration of q into I up into dy plus c. So now some examples on linear differential equations. So one 5 marks question will come for your annual exam. They will ask 5 marks questions on linear differential equation for coming March 2024 exam. Yes, example: solve or find the general solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x, comma x is not equal to 0. So this is in model question paper 2024. So see the example: find the general solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into log x. So I will write given question once again, that is given example once again, given differential equation once again as it is given. I will write x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x. You call this is equation number 1. So now you reduce this given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So you make the coefficient of dy by dx is 1. But in this example, the coefficient of dy by dx is x. So divide whole equation by x. So I will write one sentence here: dividing the above equation. Dividing the above equation by x we get. So therefore x divided by x is 1, and you write it is only dy by dx. For this also you divide by x, so it becomes 2 by x into y is equal to, you write x square log x divided by x, because we dividing both sides by x. So now therefore I will write dy by dx plus you write 2 by x into y is equal to this x and this x, that is 1x form x square get cancelled. So you will get here x into log x. Now this equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where the value of p is 2 by x, and q is x log x. So these two are functions of x. See, the value of p is 2 by x and q is x log x. So both the values of p and q are functions of x. So after writing the value of p and q, you go for integrating factor. So I'll write here to find I up. So therefore I'll write I up is equal to e raised to integration of p into dx. Therefore I'll write I up is equal to e raised to integration of p. The value of p is 2 by x. You write p is 2 by x into dx. Now yes, I'll write therefore I up is equal to e raised to, so 2 is constant, you take outside the integrating sign, so 2 constant, it becomes integration of 1 by x into dx. So this is equal to, I'll write e raised to 2 as it is, and we are having the formula of integration, that is formula of integration of 1 by x into dx. The formula of integration of 1 by x into dx is log x. So now by using third property of logarithm, I will write n into log m as log m raised to m. So I am applying third property of logarithm for this. It is 2 into log x, and I will write this 2 into log x as log x square, because we are having a third property of logarithm. So third property of logarithm is n into log m is equal to log m raised to n. So by using that formula, I return 2 log x as log x square. So now exponential and logarithm get cancelled. So therefore I'll write I up is equal to x square. So here integrating factor is x square. After finding the integrating factor, you go for general solution of the given differential equation. So I'll write therefore the general solution is y into I up is equal to integration of cube into I up into dx plus c. So therefore I will write y I up we already have, so integrating factor is x square, and this value is substituted in this general solution. This value should be substituted in this general solution of the given differential equation. So I up is y into x square is equal to integration of q. So we are having the value of q, you return here. So the value of q is we are having x into log x. The value of q is x into log x. Pause the video and see back the value of q is x log x or not. And after that we are having, so integrating factor. So integrating factor is x square into dx plus c, you write. So therefore I will write y into x square. Y into x square is x square y is equal to integration of x into x square. So x log x into x square, it is x cube log x into dx plus c. Therefore I will write x square y is equal to, now how to evaluate this integral. So it is integration of x cube into log x into dx. To evaluate this, how to use the formula, that is ILATE. How to use ILATE. You see ILATE. So here we are having a x cube and it is log x. So see, in this ILATE, in this formula, logarithmic will come first, and after that we are having algebraic. So you consider log x as the first term and x cube as the second term, because it is the product of logarithmic and algebraic. So therefore I will write integration of, so log x is u and x cube is v into dx plus u write, plus c, you write. See, I written x square into y as it is, integration of x cube into log x I written as log x into x cube, because I used the formula ILATE. So ILATE means it is Yes, I means inverse trigonometric functions. L is logarithmic, A is algebraic, T is trigonometric, and E is exponential. So when we have the product of logarithmic and algebraic, when you have the integration of the product of logarithmic and algebraic, you consider logarithmic is U and algebraic is the SV. And for this, have to apply integration by parts formula. So therefore, I will write x square into y as it is equal to, have to apply the formula of integration by parts. So you keep outside, that is log x is outside, integrate v. So this is u and this is v. So keep u outside, log x is u, you keep outside and integrate v. So integrate v, integration of x cube into dx minus yes, integration of differentiation of u. So differentiation of u means in place of u we are having log x, and after that we are having integration of x cube into dx s square bracket complete into dx plus u, right? So applied integration by parts formula. So this is u and this is v, and yes, first you take u outside, that is log x outside, integrate x cube with respect to x minus integration of differentiation of u, integration of v with respect to x into dx plus c, u, right? So therefore I will write x square y is equal to log x, you right, log x, you right, integration of x cube with respect to x. So integration of x cube with respect to x is x raised to 4 divided by 4 by using the formula integration of x raised to n into dx. By using the formula of integration of x raised to n into dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. That formula I used here. Integration of x cube will become x raised to 4 divided by 4 and minus I'll write integration as it is. I'll write this integration sign as it is. Differential of log x, we are having differential of log x is 1 by x. Differential of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x cube. So integration of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by yes 4. Next into dx you write, and after that you write plus c. So now therefore x square into y is equal to log x into x raised to 4 by 4 as it is minus integration of this x, and 1x form x raised to 4 get cancelled. So you will get x cube divided by 4 into dx plus c. So therefore I will write x square y is equal to, so I will write x raised to 4 divided by 4 into log x. This log x into x raised to 4 by 4 I return, x raised to 4 divided by 4 into log x minus, yes 1 by 4 is a constant, we take outside, integration of x cube. Integration of x cube is yes I will write x raised to 4 divided by 4 and plus integrating constant c, you write. So next I will write, therefore x square y is equal to x raised to 4 divided by 4 into log x minus 1 into x raised to 4 is x raised to 4, 4 for the 16 plus c, you write. Now in this x raised to 4 divided by 4 is common, you take outside. So therefore I will write x square y is equal to x raised to 4 divided by 4 is common, you take outside. So inside the bracket you write log x minus, so x raised to 4 divided by 4 already you took common. So here 1 by 4 remains, and after that you write plus c. So now you go for the value of y, you find the value of y. So therefore I will write y is equal to, you take x square in this side, it becomes 1 by x square. Next I will write x raised to 4 by 4 inside the bracket log x minus 1 by 4 and s plus c square bracket complete. So next step is therefore I will write y is equal to this x square and 1x square for x raised to 4 get cancel. So you will get x square divided by 4 log x minus 1 by 4. Next this 1 by x square also multiplied with the c. See, 1 by x square is multiplied with the x raised to 4 by 4. 1 by a small change here, just see, here it is 1 by x square and here it is x raised to 4 by 4. So when you are taking 1 by x square inside the square bracket, this x square and 1x square for x raised to 4 get cancelled. So you will get x square by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 as it is. And now this 1 by x square is also multiplied with the c. So you will write it is plus c into 1 by x square. So therefore I will write y equal to x square by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 plus c into, you take x square is in numerator, it becomes x raised to minus 2, which is required general solution of the given differential equation. So this is my first video on YouTube. Please support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching.